Water stains and discoloration. Water stains on ceilings, walls, or floors should immediately raise your suspicion. These stains are often a telltale sign of plumbing leaks, roof damage, or faulty drainage systems. While the seller may attempt to cover them with a quick paint job, underlying issues like mold, rot, or structural damage can still persist. Look closely at areas around windows, under sinks, or along the ceiling. Water damage doesn't just ruin aesthetics, it can weaken the materials it touches. For example, a damp ceiling might mean the insulation and wooden beams above are also compromised. Mold often thrives in these damp environments, posing health risks and requiring expensive remediation. Even small stains can indicate a much larger problem. Sometimes water issues aren't from obvious sources like plumbing, but from poor landscaping or foundation drainage, which allows water to pool near the home. Addressing these problems requires significant excavation and repairs. Don't assume that water damage is a simple fix. Ask the seller about the cause of the stain and whether it has been properly repaired. Better yet, have a home inspector assess the situation to ensure you're not inheriting a costly problem.